Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to show you how to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App. First, open your Cash App and tap your profile icon at the top right of the screen. Tap Link Banks, then select Link Bank. You'll need to provide your bank details here. Zelle is not a standalone bank, but is connected to your regular bank account. So make sure you link the bank where you use Zelle. After linking your bank, go back to the home screen of Cash App and tap on the Money tab. Tap Add Cash, enter the amount you want to transfer, and tap Add to confirm. Complete the transaction by entering your Touch ID or PIN. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.